Hi, I'm Jason, certified personal trainer for Hampton Fitness. I've got a dumbbell complex for you today. It's a circuit where you can go through one set of dumbbells. You'll do 5 exercises back to back to back without setting the dumbbells down. We're gonna do a dumbbell squat, a dumbbell push-up, a Renegade Row, dumbbell mountain climber, and finish with a clean and press. 8 reps of each exercise, okay? So you're gonna wanna pick a weight that you can clean and press 10 to 12 times. That'll be the weight you use throughout the circuit. All right, so first, dumbbell squat. Dumbbells at your side here, feet shoulder width. Squat down as low as you can, back up. Try to keep your butt out, back straight. If you can get this low, that's great. If you can't, just get to parallel or as low as your body will allow you. We're gonna do 8 reps of each exercise. 6, 7, and 8. Okay, then we're gonna go down, put the dumbbells on the ground. We're just gonna do a push-up. All the way to the floor, back up. Try to keep your elbows back. You don't wanna flare them out like that. Down as low as you can. If you can only get to parallel with the ground, that's fine too. We got 8 reps here. Try to keep your back straight. Don't wanna let it round or come up. One more. There we go, okay? Then we're gonna go into a Renegade Row. So same position, you're in a plank here. You're gonna row up, back down, alternate sides. Try to keep your core straight. You don't wanna let your butt come up. Just pull the dumbbell straight back. 6, 7. If you need to have a wider stance for stability, that's fine too. 8, okay? And you're gonna stay there. We're gonna do mountain climbers. Now we're gonna do these slow version. Knee in, back in. Knee in, back out. We're gonna do 8 of these. Try to keep your butt down in a good plank position here. 6, 7, 8. Then jump back up. We're gonna do dumbbell clean and press. So first the clean, loose knees. You're gonna clean it up, catch it, reset yourself, squat, press it up, back down, back down. Flip it up, squat, press, back down. You'll notice that I'm using my lower body to kind of jump it up. You want to explode up there and explode up there. 5, 6, 7, one more, and 8. Then you'll rest for about a minute, 2 minutes, 3 to 6 rounds, depending upon your fitness level, and that's your dumbbell circuit. You can get all the equipment I use for this workout at hamptonfit.com. Like and subscribe for more workouts like this. Do the work, be a rare breed.